Welcome to the Art Studios
with Mrs. Perna and Mrs. DeGroot. Today we are going to make a flower pot inspired by the art of Henri Matisse. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to draw our base. So a little bit below the middle of your page, you're going to start the straight line across, then a diagonal and a diagonal, and then two curved lines that come off your page. Curved line, curved line. Then what I want you to do is I want you to take a couple of lines, like 3, 4, or 5 lines, and you're going to do straight lines, wavy lines, zigzag lines. You could do some spirals. It's up to you, but I want you to draw some lines for your design on your base. So I'm just going to do a couple zigzag lines. And then after that, we're going to start doing some of our flowers. So I'm going to teach you different ways that we can draw flowers. So you're going to do a couple of the same flowers. And of course, if you know how to make different flowers, you can certainly add or make some different flowers. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to do like the tops of our roses. So it's very, very easy. I'm going to add a couple circle shapes, and they could be different sizes. Don't worry about the stems. We'll add those at the end. So I'm going to do a couple circles. After we do those circles, you're going to take and do a spiral inside each of those circles, and that's going to make it look like the top of those roses. Okay. And then another flower that we were going to do is we're going to do the roses from the side. So to do a rose from the side, you start with an oval, do that spiral in the top, and then you do another letter U, letter Y, just like that. Okay, and you could also add little leaves coming off the side of it too. All right, now we're going to add some daisies, some forms of daisies. So I'm going to start with a couple of those circle shapes. I'm going to do some bigger ones and some smaller ones. So add however many you want. Okay, and then you can kind of change the look of the petals. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to do 2 curved lines and have them come up together. And I'm going to do those curved lines all the way around. Okay, I can do the same thing here. Can even change them a little bit and make them more straight. Okay, so I can do like a rectangle shape for the edges of my petals too. Whatever you like. They can go off the side of your paper. I'll do one more like that. I'll do a smaller one. You can also do another type of daisy. So you start with a rainbow line, then you do a curved line, do a bumpy line underneath, and then you do those same petals so they're hanging down. Okay. So you can always add a couple more flowers if you like. So I'm going to add another rose here. Okay. And then what you're going to do is you're going to connect all those flowers to the inside of your pot. Now some of them are going to go behind other flowers, so don't draw your lines going through your flowers. I'm just going to add some of my stems. And it's okay if you don't see all of them. Okay, and you can also add little leaves to fill in those stems. Okay, and then after you're done with that, you're gonna color them.